So people, today we're talking about Synthetix and where it can go on a bull run and what it's done in the past bull run. So hit the like button, subscribe most importantly, and also don't forget to comment. Don't also forget to check our Instagram out where we show a lot of these plays and our lifestyle and how, it's gonna get when we're at the top of this bull run. So boom, let's go on to the big high super charts here. Before anything, we can see here in the 20th of May 2020, of May, Friday the 1st, we were sitting at 70 cents, as you can see. So you can see now on the top of this, within that year on a bull run. So as you know, if you got my ebook, which you could find in the link below, if you don't have it already, there's a bear market and bull market. And when you get the ebook, you'll find out what is the bull market, what is the bear market. Don't really buy from us. I wouldn't advise you buy anything from the UK because the regulations for crypto's foreseeable future is probably going to change. I know this causes unnecessary headache. So these are for my like 6-7 figure people only. We're only taking on those clients, so don't bother buying if you're not. So there you go. Anyway, to the 2021 February Monday. This is when we can see it went to its all-time high, and it will definitely be there again, to be fair. You know that. So give this about 5 months and we'll see a good 28x in this coin. So I do believe it will go up to around $40, $64 even. In all fairness, it should go up to around $40. So there you go, guys. This is Synthetix. Let's read a bit about this project and tell you a little bit more. This is Synthetix, currently sitting at $468 million market cap. And if you go to about, Synthetix is building a decentralized liquidity provision and protocol that any protocol can tap into for various purposes. It is deep liquidity and low fees, serve a backend for many exciting protocols on both Optimism and Ethereum. Many users facing protocols in Synthetix's ecosystem, such as Quintana, spots, and futures, Lyra options, polynomial automated options, and 1-inch and curve automatic swaps tap into Synthetix liquidity to power their protocols. Synthetix is built on Optimism and Ethereum mainnet. The Synthetix network is collateralized with SNX, Ethereum, and LUSD, enabling the insurance of the Synthetix assets since tracks and provides returns on the underlying asset without requiring run to directly hold the asset. This pooled collateral enables an array of on-chain composable financial instruments backed by the liquidity from Synthetix. Some of the most exciting upcoming releases from Synthetix and Perks V2, which hopes to enable low fee on chains futures trading through the usage of off-chain oracles, and Synthetix X V3, which aims to build the protocol to achieve its earliest goal, being fully permissionless derivatives protocol. Learn more about Synthetix on their blog or joining the NX Discord. This platform aims to broaden the cryptocurrency space by introducing non-blockchain assets, providing access to a more robust financial market. So it is a great opportunity for you to take care. I can't lie. It's definitely one of the hottest coins out there. I would definitely say go and get yourself a bag in Synthetix X, and I do see it really, really taking off. So don't forget about it, and remember we told you that this is going to go to around $40-$60 as you saw on our charts. If you want to learn more about crypto, as I said earlier on in the video, you know what to do. Go to the description and go grab the cheat guide ebook. It's so easy to read. It's a 5-minute read, high quality as well. And yeah, check us out on Insta. That's all for now, guys, and